Hello guys, I hope you look at well. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can download this 3D sports pack just for free. Right click on it. This is WinRAR file, so you need to extract it. So let me show you how you can download. You need to click on the description link and this website will appear. This is BulkGFX website. You can also extract it by searching on BulkGFX. So the first service here, this is, click on it, 3D sports pack. Wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds the downloading button will appear just like this. Download now. Download anyway. Start download. This is approximate 1.170 GB file. So this is basically premium graphic card template which is provided for free. So I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. So you need to extract it just like I shown. So click on it. Icon premiums. This is color black and white images. Baseball, basketball, cycle. So this image is in black and white color, and these images are in green and blue color. These are high graphic images. Real color. And this file also include library icons, premium. These are leather black shiny, leather print in black and shiny, also leather print but in different colors. And also this other data included in this file. Same leather extruded. These are high graphic images. I hope this data is quite useful for you. You can easily download it from the link in the description. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video.